Beautiful people, how are you? I hope you are doing good. And so today we are going to make kebab, which is Kacchy Qeemey ke kebab. So for kebab here I'm taking minced beef. It's about 500 grams. So here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of green chilies, which is chopped, dry coriander, which is roasted and roughly chopped, roughly crushed. It's about 2 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon. Coriander leaves 2 tablespoon. Grinded cumin, it's about 2 tablespoon. Allspice powder 2 tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. 2.5 tablespoon of flour, it's a normal wheat flour. 2 medium size of onion, which is finely chopped, and 1 egg. So let's start making it. So firstly I'm taking here the beef. Firstly I'm gonna add the coriander powder, crushed coriander, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, cumin powder, green chilies, coriander leaves, allspice powder, salt to taste or salt 1 teaspoon full, chili flakes, onions, flour, the last the egg. So now we have to mix it properly. Perfectly mixed. So grease up your hands now and make the patties. So now it's done. I've made 12 patties, so you can make it. So you can also store it. So for storing, you don't store it right like in this stage. You will fry it till it get half done. Then you can just cool it down and fry it. Just freeze it. If you freeze it like in this stage, and whenever you fry it, so it can break at that time. So just half done it and then fry it. Then freeze it. So I'm going to fry it right now. Now my oil is enough hot, so I'm going to Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Place it carefully. So it's frying right now. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for each side and fry it on a medium flame. This is our final look of Kacchy Qeemey ke kebab. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button. So you can serve it with plain paratha or naan or whatever you want. Puri paratha, whatever you like. So just serve it and enjoy it with your family. And whenever you make it, share me your experience. How was it? So we'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.